Welcome to the Owen School. I'm Professor Joe Ryan and I work in the areas of leadership and strategy. And one of the common problems I've seen as an executive educator is the closing module in an executive program, the action planning module. How is that best designed and structured? In recent years, we've developed a process that we think is robust yet relevant. We call it the 5% leadership tool. And let's use as our frame of reference here a 50-hour work week. 5% of a 50-hour work week is 2.5 hours. So the litmus test here is what makes your short list? What are the actionable insights that will help you perform more effectively as a leader and have impact in your business? And how do you find and how do you free up 2.5 hours each week to advance these priorities, this short list agenda? We hope you join us in the future because we will commit to this kind of disciplined exit process and taking stock in the executive program.